Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the auto editor function on the Photoleap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the first option, the Edit Photo, at the upper side of the screen and select a picture from your device. You go to the third option, the Auto, at the bottom of the screen, and new the auto function is the auto editor function is edit your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.